I used to think budgeting just wasn't for me. I tried apps. I tried spreadsheets. I tried the envelope method, zero-based budgeting, percentage systems, you name it. And every time, I'd start strong and then fall off. Not because I didn't want to save money, but because the process felt exhausting. Until this year. In 2025, I finally found a budget plan that actually fits my real life, not just some ideal version of it. And for the first time, I'm saving consistently, spending consciously, and feeling in control of my money. So if you've been on the same roller coaster trying system after system, feeling like a failure, this video is for you. Hit that like button if you've ever downloaded a budgeting app and never opened it again. Subscribe for practical money videos that actually work in real life. And drop a comment below. What's the hardest part of budgeting for you, starting it or sticking with it? I got real about my budget personality. Some people love spreadsheets, some people want total control. I wanted something simple, low maintenance, and realistic. So I asked myself, do I want to track every dollar? No. Do I need flexibility for irregular months? Yes. Do I need automation so I don't have to think every day? Absolutely. Once I accepted that I wasn't going to become some perfectly organized finance wizard overnight, I could finally build a system that matched me, not someone else. 2. I use a 3-bucket budget instead of dozens of categories. Forget 15 budget categories. They overwhelmed me. In 2025, I use just 3 core buckets. Bucket sad face essentials, goals, lifestyle. Purpose sad face rent, groceries, bills, transportation. Saving, investing, debt repayment, everything else, fun, dining, extras. That's it. Each time I get paid, I allocate 60% to essentials, 20% to goals, 20% to lifestyle. It's simple, it's flexible, and it works, even when life throws curveballs. 3. I separated my accounts, and it changed everything. The biggest mistake I made for years? Trying to manage everything from one checking account. Now, I use 3 separate accounts. Main checking right-pointing arrow bills plus essentials. Savings account right-pointing arrow automatic transfers from each paycheck. Lifestyle debit card right-pointing arrow for fun spending, connected only to the lifestyle budget. This structure means I can open my app and instantly know what bills are covered, what I've saved, how much fun money I have left. No guessing, no mental math, no stress. 4. I automated the first 5 days of my financial month. Here's what I do in the first 5 days of every month. Day 1. Transfer savings automatically. Day 2. Pay bills that aren't on autopay. Day 3. Move lifestyle money to fun debit card. Day 4. Check for irregular expenses, birthdays, renewals. Day 5. Adjust anything unexpected. Once those steps are done, the rest of the month runs itself. And I only need to check in once a week to stay on track. 5. I started tracking habits instead of dollars. This shift changed my whole relationship with budgeting. Instead of obsessing over every cent, I started tracking these 4 habits. Did I save something this week? Even $5 counts. Did I avoid impulse spending this week? Did I spend within my lifestyle budget? Did I check my balance once this week? That's it, and guess what? Those simple check-ins improved my money more than any spreadsheet ever did. Because consistency greater than perfection. 6. I built guilt-free fun into the budget. This is the part most budgets miss. If your budget makes you feel like life is all bills and no joy, you're not going to stick to it. That's why my lifestyle bucket is so important. I plan for joy. Whether it's a dinner with friends, a concert, a self-care day, a spontaneous road trip. If it's in the budget, it's guilt-free. No overspending, no regret, just balance. 7. I gave myself grace, but stayed honest. Old me used to beat myself up for going off plan. New me, if I overspend, I adjust, I reflect, and I reset. The point of a budget isn't perfection. It's to stay aligned with your goals even when life gets messy. So when I slip up, I ask, what caused that? What can I do better next month? That one mindset shift turned budgeting from punishment into power. Why this plan finally worked for me? It's simple, it's flexible, it's automated. It includes life, not just bills. It's designed around how I actually live, not how I wish I lived. And most importantly, it gave me peace of mind. For the first time, I'm not waiting for next month to fix everything. I'm watching progress in real time. And that feeling? Better than any number in the bank. The 2025 budget plan that finally worked. Know your budget personality. Use 3 easy buckets: essentials, goals, lifestyle. Separate accounts for clarity. Automate the first 5 days of the month. Track habits, not just dollars. Make room for fun money. Stay flexible, stay honest. That's it, that's the plan. If this made budgeting feel doable again, tap that like button so more people can find it. Subscribe for weekly financial clarity without the burnout. And comment below. What's one budgeting trick that's actually worked for you? Because budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about direction. Let's build it together.